Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to chat with your matches on your Facebook, whether it's a friendship match or a lover match. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can chat your matches on Facebook dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then in here, you'll be directed into your Facebook homepage. In here, simply tap on this heart icon for you to be directly on the Facebook dating. Once you are in here, simply tap on these matches. And then in here, as you can see, I have one match in here. So to chat with your matches, simply tap on these photos of your match and then simply tap here a message. For this example, let's simply send an emoji. And then in here, simply tap on the send button. And as you can see, I've just chatted the person I've matched as friends. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can chat your matches on Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can send a conversation or start a conversation with your matches on Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.